with asari dakobo men we bubago ni mak oga ga-eshikwu ike na ha wụkwa ọgụ gentle na ha wụ ọgụ Akụ community with the whole Biafra soldiers niile ka a na-akwado ndị akụ eji ahụ ọnụ na-achọ ịrapta ndị akụ ka m gwa unu.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 25th of September 2025, we are live and direct from Biafra land, giving you this news of what is going on currently right now in Imo State, Okigwe, Ako community. The people of Ako community has been asked to contribute 20 million naira by the politicians in Okigwe because they want to use that money to organize more security from Asari boys, Musa guys to come into Ako to flush out the Biafra Liberation Army, Gentle the Yahoo and his boys. This is exactly what the Biafran Liberation warrior here alleged. He said that he is sending this warning to Ako people not to allow such thing to ever happen. That if they ever contribute any dime to Edi Ahonu and his gangs, that the people of Ako should wait for the Biafran Liberation Army, that the war will no longer be between them and Gentle alone, that it will now be between them and the whole of Biafra Liberation Army. Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Na mgbasa ozi a ka mma gbasara mba ụwa niile n'ebe ọbụla ha nọ na ka unu ghọta ndị niile na-emebise akụ, ndị niile wụ ala dị mma nọ na Akụ community n'ala Biafra. Anụ ma akpọchi mmadụ abụọ na mmagodi planụ anụ mee meeting na Akwa Ibom. Meeting niile ọ na-eme na Akwa Ibom wụ onye na-akpọ onye dịkachi egwu ọnwụ ka eji aka Elias eji ahụ ọnụ wee mara. Eji ahụ ọnụ yala Ugochukwu ike ma eji afọ na ha ma abụọ wụ ndị uti ndị ọzọ la plan na-eme meeting niile dị iche iche otu a ga-echi wee kpọbata Nigeria Fulani terrorists and Asari Dakobo boys wee ebubo agụ ịkpọbata ha n'ime akụ, ibubata ha n'ime akụ. Mkpado agha unu na-adọbata n'ime akụ ka unu chibata ndị Fulani in uniform with Asari Dakobo men wee ebubo agụ n'ime akụ. Ọgụ a ga-eshikwu ike na ha wụkwa ọgụ gentle na ha wụ ọgụ Akụ community with the whole Biafra soldiers niile ka a na-akwado ndị akụ eji ahụ ọnụ na-achọ ịrapta ndị akụ ka m gwa unu. Anụcha ebe niile dị iche iche the whole Biafra niile Biafra Liberation Army niile anjiri oju bara ebe niile onwe ihe na ahụ ahụ Ugochukwu ike imene planụ imene mitiri gị na Akwa Ibom otu iche bubata Fulani uniform n'ime akụ wuti gị na-eji ahụ ọnụ onye dịkachi egwu ọnwụ aka eji afọ ọnụ unu mere mitin na Akwa Ibom mee mitin na Owerri mee mitin na Okigwe mekwe mitin na Aba anyị hụchawo anyị nụ ọ dịwo Biafra places niile gee ntị ndị akụ onye dịkacha egwu ọnwụ a yala Ugochukwu ike planụ lere ụlọ niile nọ n'akụ gbakayacha ya ọkụ ụlọ niile nọ n'akụ ha gbakayachara ya ọkụ ha planụ ọkwa ha nwa witi ndị Fulani uniform witi Asali Dokubo boys bịa gbuchia inososo niile ndị niile ha gburu n'ime akụ ugbu na ha planụ kwala ibubatakwa Fulani uniform witi Asali Dokubo men n'ime akụ ka ha bịa nye ha base n'ime akụ anyị na-ahụ he ka ugbu na ka m gwakwawo na nke a karịkwala ọgụ gentle nke ụzọ ọgụ Biafra Liberation Army versus akụ community eji ahụ ọnụ na-ebughata ndị nwe wụọ na gaa ntị ka m gwagwa unu asị ọkpara ntị ike obere ji ike l'afọ nnụnụ ndị akwadola gwa unu so unu tụrụ ahụ 2 million unu provide ahụ 20 million ka ha were bubata unu Fulani bịa mebisa ụlọ mkpụrụ ole ka efe afọ n'ime akụ gbachapụko ya ọkụ gbucha ndị ka ha na-egbuche ka wụkwa ọgụ gentle ka wụwa ọgụ gentle ndị akụ unu akpọla unu kwesịrị ime kpee ekpere jụọ Chukwu oke abịa ma ogogo ndị na-ahụsi ike nwere onwe mgbake gentle dị Yahoo unu na ya eme peace talk unu na ya anọ mitin wee kpebie so otu akụ ga-eji mee aka dị na mma achụpụ ndị Fulani uniform a batala akụ chụpụ Asali Dokubo batala akụ gentle dị Yahoo ọwụ onye ọṅụju ara mmiri nne afọ ọ ga-eme unu understand ọdịmma ụmụnne ndị Biafra.
So this Biafran warrior here is sending this strong warning to the community of Akko, to the people of Akko, to be very careful.
Biko na anyị na-ayọ unu ka unu bido zawara anyị afa ndị azaba afa. Ndị emebere donation is ongoing. O nwere ndị achọghị ka ha bata na grupu ọbụla ma ndị achọghị ka a mara onye ha wụ biko nna ayọ ka unu mere anyị donation. Also this particular payment now anyị nọkwa na level of village by village structure nke anyị akwuola wee ma agree that village niile ga-agbagharịa chọrọ anyị 2 million naira. 10 village niile nọ n'akụ ha gbagharịa chọrọ anyị 2 million each ka anyị jiri raise 20 million in the next 2 weeks anyị ji aba akụ. Anyị baga akụ unu mgbe anyị ebido ba akụ unu ga-ahụ ihe ga-eme ọwụ egwuregwu ndị akụ anyị ma na ije ashiri ike ọ ya mekwara na anyị ji wee tinye onwe anyị rụọ m ndị utu niile rụgbu ndị akụ tiri onwe ha si ihe ọla ga-eme ya ihe ọ ga-eme tomorrow ya mewe today biko na anyị na-ayọ unu anyị achọghị ịdị stranded n'ije a anyị achọghị akakata alawa azụ anyị achọkwa n'oke mitin n'ije a ije awụ ihe anyị chọrọ a na-ekwu a na-eme ọhịa anyị chọrọ n'ije a afọ anyị na-arịọ sọpọtụ unu village structure biko anyị na-asị ka agbapụ ya ọsọ anyị need that 2 million from each of these village from now to 2 weeks time biko na anyị na-ayọ unu gbapụ na ya ọsọ all the village admin niile biko nụ anyị na-aka gbasa n'ozi a to group niile unu anụwo ndị admin ya gbasaa n'ozi a ka o ruo onye ọbụla ntị ka anyị bido nnatawa ego a ka anyị bido mepụtawa ihe onwebe ego anyị nwere onwebe nitere anyị mere anyị chọrọ iteki steepụ ga-esheki ụwa niile bikos akụ atala afụfụ, akụ anọọla na mba ụwa, akụ agbala n'ịntanetị in a negative way. So anyị chọrọ ime ihe ọla anyị ga-eme ka anyị reshape akụ.
So according to Ikenga Uruagu, who leaked this voice note, he is calling on the Azokachas Nwankwo to come out and speak against the Biafra Liberation Army. But Azokachas Nwankwo, who is very intelligent, decided not to respond to Ikenga Uruagu.
So you never eat granite before? Granite, we collected granite before from Butuzo. So okay. By myself. Are you under Butuzo now? Are you under Butuzo now? There is something that happened in that league that made us to leave that league. Since then, we are not being that. We are not being in that league. Okay. So what is happening? When did you leave there? When did you leave? When did you leave Butuzo camp? When did you leave Butuzo camp? Last year. Last year. After Butuzo Butuzo Moto, for a minute, my commando for no reason. Because my age, all right, I want to hear the station reports. So all I can give more than EB 5, which is by the rest on our side. So I want to say, when you call your own house, commandable, the Baba Butuzo in actually this morning. I want to assume I got where or what gave Butuzo. So some boys I may recruit to Neighbor Gallery, I want to Butuzo. So some of them because they are against us. I go and drop Butuzo idea. Just woman, I see, I'm going to go before. You I got for 2 weeks. I just put a high and I call the Pune Greway and I go. Can you get any when I learn how to call? So much everybody will went to work with me and you and the welder. So many people. So I took in my hand and put him that. They now I also rope. Masai by go. So after then, they use me for the rope, which did this feel on my hand and my leg. You know, when I February, you know what last year, February last year. So after they release us to the room, the team, I want to attack in that place more than 5 to 2 weeks, close to 3 weeks there. Because the Butus are possibly open and say, okay, everybody should come and go to his local government. So this one of the local government to local government, they have for them was a book in our mission. I think I am not one with them. Now you could put it in the Hebrew, and you want to one more than really, so I was last year more, I got treatment for myself, which nobody gave me one. Then I said it to myself, get myself. So what can now be went to that place again? When there's some bullets here. I see some bullets and I come back. I said, well, I swear with the line, who will not get the audio or shit. I got like 1 year. If I forgot it, I'm a police in Chiquitia. This is all I can do on it. And this is all this is what you want. No kind of help because on a guy. What was you want to have? You're my own, that place how on. So Muslim people say we cannot be going to this place. Let's enter our own camp. Because we have camp in our village. So since then now we are being in our own camp. Even this sort of when our partner is coming up newly, I'm a new fully, I've been actually the one to be fully. If now I want to introduce it's a sort of pilot. But now we went straight and begin to collect the head on the pilot. Since then, what we are but what we are I'm only following them on my phone. So that's why you did that confused the kind of this movement now. But again, I feel that against you, put them against you. I just want to understand where we are and the reason why this is the one like this. So I'm begging you, I want to help you with you. I want to know this trouble. You have a witness. Let to move over and want to self rally. Leave them against Biafra. Let's go to take to my family. And the entire family. Yeah, my family. Yeah, to go to take the okay, my own is this. Oh, didn't know which and some were going to know which and some will be at all. No, I'm just telling you. Can you allow me to go? Honestly, if you're not gonna cool down, come on and give woku. Then you get cooler down with eat which you cook, then you can come to me. Okay? Now Obugodi need no which China and we're going to see from China and Bakotan. I still support her because I'm one only and a different. Nahama and a different manaketa half go give a joke in our water. But my anger to you would that need a voice note somewhere and they sent it to me. And immediately in our mom, in fact, you can't get out. You can't say, "May just to get tired now."
a bomb on the phone, and immediately my voice, my spirit told me not going what they are, and no voice in our water. Now, Papa Ejima has been going around with Ifi, ringing my name everywhere. That's a man here, your man here, and no matter the man here. Caterpillar, they use now, Caterpillar is not with us. Caterpillar took money from us. I say, okay, just try man, then Caterpillar didn't come back again. He went and formed Mirugo camp. In Mirugo Facebook. No, they destroy my name. Then if you want to now, onye Kedafia, this guy, Papa Ejima come na phone. Here I be don't get a maybe video harass him. If you don't harass him, if you don't cool down, I'm gonna turn off this phone. But when and I cut it off and block wire immediately. Okay? And on our platform, see and now monitor ya. Now fear. Everything no kuroku na njena kamye. On the Bokaibu. So if you now, it's in a autopilot is in a with it in Mbaya, in on a line, in on a chat time. Ndini on a chat time are getting their stuff. In on a chat, maybe be Jewish. Can you test about autopilot? Autopilot will process. Like I've been way here, man. Like I say, I'm mad at it and singing. They're not in our chat. I'm a list. Ndini know with us. I'm and they know with us. So that when here somewhere, imagine in a chipper and did that chipper. Or when I committed something somewhere, then Obia say, okay, I know autopilot. If you're not in our list, find that out. How do we join autopilot? I just support her because I actually join the hand. Oh, to just say, then I will now connect you to somebody that will now, interview you. Now, I see this in Nkeji Butuzo. Where put her? Butuzo is our general commander.
The Kenga Uruago is still asking her to do everything possible to expose Biafra Liberation Boys, but she refused to do something like that.
All right, Biafrans, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to all of you, depending your time zone and where you're watching and hearing me from this very wonderful Thursday morning, being the 25th of September 2025. What has gotten to our notice is that Nnamdi Kanu's case is coming up on the 26th, which is tomorrow, being Friday of September 2025. I want Biafrans to note this, that Nigerian government said, according to the rumors that I'm hearing, that they want to release Nnamdi Kanu to Bianca Ojukwu after much plead. Now listen, Nnamdi Kanu's bail condition or freedom does not determine on any prostitute, on any idiot. Nnamdi Kanu fought and defeated Nigeria. I want you guys to hold that to heart. Nnamdi Kanu fought and defeated Nigeria in all their courts. So Nnamdi Kanu is not being released to any prostitute, to any stupid woman called Bianca Ojukwu. Nnamdi Kanu is not being released because of that. Again, I know that if at the end of the day Nnamdi Kanu is being released, there are two things why Nigerian government might have decided to release Nnamdi Kanu. He's slowly dying because they have poisoned him in the SSS dungeon, or they might have put some kind of substance in the food that he ate, and after eating that food, he fell seriously ill, and they have gone to test his blood, and they see that he has only 2, 3, 4 weeks to live on this planet Earth before he packs his bag and go. This we will never take. Whatever the Nigerian terrorist government has planned with Nnamdi Kanu will never work. Now I continue to call on them that anything that happens to Nnamdi Kanu, me personally, you will find out how twisted I can be. It is not a joke. I'm not joking. Because everything that Nnamdi Kanu said about this terrorist state has come to pass. How do you think we're not going to follow such a person? And we have been watching Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu has defeated you in Abuja court, defeated you in Supreme Court, defeated you in Kenyan court. Up to today, you refuse to release him. Now he's critically ill. You now came up because of the pressure that you are getting from other international bodies to release him. And you are not telling we fool Biafrans that you are releasing her because of the plea of Bianca Ojukwu, that prostitute woman. please don't joke with Biafrans. Musa, Christopher Musa, and Tinubu do not joke with Biafrans. We are not fools. We are not fools. Do not joke with Biafrans. I thought you people wanted to, you have a reason why you went to Kenya to kidnap Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Anybody that saw the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will think this guy is a confirmed terrorist. Over 5 years, this man has been in detention, and you were not able to come up with any evidence of one thing against him. One thing. And you are still keeping him in the SSS dungeon. And you think we are going to be happy? And you think we are going to just stay here and laugh? Because you got Simon Ekpa, you got Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You think we are going to stand here and then watch all this your rubbish? Nigerian government is a terrorist organization. Tinubu is a criminal, a thief, in fact, Tinubu is a kleptomaniac. That's who Tinubu is. Worse than a criminal. A man that cannot fly his jets to United States of America to see a sitting president of United States of America. What kind of criminality is that? If he steps his foot in America, he'll be arrested. He knows that. Challenge me if I'm wrong. Anybody can challenge me and fly to America. You are now holding my leader, telling me that you are releasing him to after the plea. Anyway, I didn't hear that from Tinubu because I'm expecting the worst to happen. Releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is almost like Mission Impossible. I do not know what magic is going to happen tomorrow for Nigeria to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That means they might have been under serious pressure by the international bodies. They can't just wake up and decide to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I know Nigeria very well. We know Nigeria very well. And we told you that what will release that man is coming. You think we are joking? You think we are just talking? We just come here. I just come here to make noise. We told you what will release him is coming. We are not threatening Nigeria. Biafra is now a sovereign nation, and that man you are holding is a Biafra. He is a leader of over 80 million Biafrans who has voted for the exit of Nigeria. And you think we are here for the exit of Biafra from Nigeria. And you think we are here, we're going to stay here to, sugarcoat word or paint word. No, we don't do that. We can't do that. Again, Biafran, I want you to know this. That Dr. Ngozi Orabweze, that woman you see in United States of America, is the leader of over 40 states of United States of Biafra. She is currently the Commander-in-Chief of Armed Forces of Biafran Liberation Army, or rather Biafran Army. Oluluye. She redeclared. Forget these people, all these criminals, Adadio Ramana Ogenkere, his former boyfriend Ogenkere, because they are fighting. Those people will end up in jail. They will end up in jail. I keep telling you people, you see Adadio Rama and Ogenkere, they will end up in jail, believe you me. And the reason why you see her come out to, do all this nonsense and then talk about Dr. Abweze terrorist, called me a terrorist, is because she knows that here in this country, that where we are, that everybody, we have what they call freedom of speech. That is why she can come out and say rubbish. You don't mind her. That's why she's doing all this nonsense. Where we are, everybody has freedom of speech. As long as there is nothing connected to you, that there's no physical combat. You didn't punch the person. You didn't assault the person physically. Whatever the person tells you is allowed. That's why she can call anybody terrorist, and add everywhere. That's why she's getting away with all these things. But no one you can't escape it again. I'm telling you the truth. I will lock you up myself. Myself will end you. I will lock you up. Because I'm not going to tell you the strategy I'm going to use. We have people analyzing your videos if you don't know. So you can continue to talk all this rubbish you're talking. When they get the evidences they are looking for, they will come after you. And you'll be prosecuted. Again, Adadio Rama is just one of the useless person I don't like to discuss about. Okay, Chukwunkere, I have challenged you to come and, sue me for defamation. Challenge me in court for defamation. Take me to any court of your choice for defamation. I will prove to Nigerians and I will prove to Biafrans that you took money from Nigerian government, including Enugu state governor. I will prove it to them. You didn't see us coming, do you? You didn't see me coming, do you? And today you want to come and address people like me as a Biafra. You're a criminal, not Okigwe. You are a thief. I keep calling you a thief. Please now, somebody should get this guy to get to me so that you take me to court. I want to go to court through Okigwe. Sue me for defamation. Because you know what I'm saying is true. And that is why you can't even dare challenge me. Who are you to challenge? You can't dare it. If you do, I will give, in fact, I'm not in Gafo. Because you're a criminal. Look at you talking about sabotage. Are you not the one that sabotaged what Dr. Rabeze declared on the 29th? Trying to sabotage it if that woman did not stand tall. And that is why my respect will continue to go to her. She's truly a mother. Why are you called? You people call that why you took one and I know one on. Now you have faced Rose. That Rose is a terrorist. I don't think you people know who I am. I don't think you know who I am. Okay, you people think maybe you know more about. Dear friends, I want to use my platform again to tell you that I'm fully back for these people, to face them head on. I'm not scared of any one of them. And I can never be scared of any one of them. They are all criminals. If they say they're not criminals, let them come and prove it. And I will demolish all of them in court. Like Nnamdi Kanu will always say, because I have strong evidences against them. They are all thieves. Including Okigwe took money from the Nigerian government. And this idiot that you see in France, she took money from the Nigerian government. I am not telling you what I am not sure of. I cannot accuse you people forcefully. If I'm accusing you people forcefully, come and sue me. Sue me to court. Take me to court. Take me to court. Sue me for defamation. If I'm accusing you people forcefully. Because you people are deceivers, you are criminals. And again, Biafrans, please, do not be overexcited at Nnamdi Kanu court hearing tomorrow. Nigeria that I know will never release Nnamdi Kanu. We are just hearing all these things. You see, we have to say these things the way they are. So that Nnamdi Kanu has committed no crime in any country that he has stepped in. Nnamdi Kanu has committed no crime that is known to the four walls of the law in any country. Nigerian government went as far as Kenya to kidnap this man. 5 years trial, and they have not gotten evidences against him. And all the courts that has freed and compensated Nnamdi Kanu, none of them has been, done. They have not listened to the court. Nigerian government have not listened to any of their courts. Nigerian government has never listened to any country, United Nations called them. They didn't listen.
Stephen Cross here is lamenting because of the way the government is treating the case of Nnamdi Kanu. He said that Nnamdi Kanu's health is not good, that it is getting worse, and government knows about it. That is the reason why they are trying to release him now, so that if anything happens to Nnamdi Kanu while he has been released, then the government will not say that they did not do anything to Nnamdi Kanu, that they have released him. So Stephen Cross has sent this warning to the government that if anything happens to Nnamdi Kanu after he has been released, that he is going to take it personal with them.
They've never obeyed any instruction from any country court, including their own state. Now they want to release him. There are medicine that they will come and inject somebody, and they know that medicine would take that person's life 3-4 weeks, in 4 months, in 3 months. That is what I am suspecting that they have done to Nnamdi Kanu. I don't trust Nigeria, and I can never trust Nigeria. Is it Wike that you are going to trust? Is it Tinubu that you are going to trust? Is it Christopher Musa, that criminal, that you are going to trust? Is it Abio that you are going to trust? The people that are turning Nigeria upside down that you are going to trust? I do not trust any one of these people. So I'm not excited that Nnamdi Kanu is coming to court tomorrow. Why don't they release him? The courts have freed Nnamdi Kanu. Supreme Court has freed him to go home. Nigerian government kept him back. And somebody is coming to tell us, oh, Bianca, because we could play your black Bianca. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is sick. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not want anybody's, mercy to be released. He wants to face Nigeria and be sure that he defeated Nigeria in their court, which he has done. So they should not come and tell us, we released Mazi Nnamdi Kanu because of it. Listen, Bianca does not warrant, she doesn't merit that honor. She does not. Look at the kind of person that they're telling me that. Anyways, I didn't hear it from the Nigerian government. So let me not overemphasize on that, because I had it from a news a platform anyways. But one thing I know, I was gonna my brother. My sisters, I want an Africa because I don't know why they want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know why the court's hearing suddenly shifted. I don't know. I do not know. But I know at the end, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to walk out free tomorrow, so be it. But again, I don't trust Nigeria. And I expect the worst to happen, because Nigeria can never do the right thing. I keep telling my brothers, the only thing that stands the test of time is the truth. We, the United States of Biafra, will stand on the truth. We will not see A and call it C, because a lot of Biafrans have been unalive. A lot of Biafrans have been wasted by the Nigerian terrorist government. A lot of Biafrans has been extorted by the Nigerian terrorist government. A lot of Biafrans has been, dehumanized by this Nigerian government. Is it no Nigerian government that will go and set fire in the market where Igbos, Biafrans own, and destroy that market and take back the land? Because most of these Biafrans has paid for those shops. They have paid for those goods. They have paid for those buildings. They have bought land, bought buildings. Nigerian government will go and take it, revoking the licenses that they gave to these individuals. What kind of country is that? And these people live abroad, here we are, where we are. The Yorubas live in this country. How many times that the house that you bought in 1980, 1960, 1991, 97, 2000, 2001, how many times has the United Kingdom government come to revoke any land anywhere? Can you see that Nigeria is not a country? That is why we are trying to build one of the best nations in the world. Look at what you people are clapping for Brian Traore today. Oh, Traore. Is it that same Traore? Is it not a student of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? That same Ibrahim Traore, do you think that he did not hear the preachings of Simon Ekpa? You people condemn Simon Ekpa. Now it is another country that is embracing him. Can you see how foolish some Igbo people are because of small hotel you built in Lagos, small house that you are collecting 1 million every year? You are just insulting your own brother. And then an African man from a different country, Dr. Masanga, is the one fighting for your brothers. Did they do this to us? Why are you people such a joke? You allow Finland that nobody knows anything about to intimidate you, suppress you, determine what happens to you as a nation, as a citizen, as a country. Are you people not ashamed of yourselves? Look at Alexander Stubb that has nobody knows this man from anywhere. Simon brought this man to the limelight. Best friend of Simon Ekpa. Sold him. And you people are clapping. Oh, Simon has gone to jail. Are you people ashamed of yourselves? That is why you can see this Lazuba woman, this that Diorama, and not the Chukunkeri, forming that they know. I don't know how you people think. Coming to confuse Biafrans. Criminals everywhere because of love of money. Everywhere you see an evil man, see money, they will choose money over, over happiness. They will choose money over anything. Over integrity, evil man will choose money. Over love, evil man will choose money. Why? Who did this to us? We are very different people. You know, somebody called me from Enugu some months ago, told me he's one of the House of Assembly member person and all of that. I was just talking rubbish. On my social media handle, he was chatting me. I was chatting with him, and then he decided to call me on what is it called? On Facebook caller, and I picked the call. And the man told me that I'm doing a very good job. He wants to encourage me and do this. Then what do I like to eat more? What do I like? And I said, I don't understand. He said, I'm telling you people the truth. You people think I'm joking. I'm not joking. I told the man, even like Lamborghini. I'll post the charts. I'll post the charts maybe tomorrow. I'll post the charts on this thing, WhatsApp, Facebook charts on my platform so that you people will read it. I'll just post it so you go and read it. I told him I like to drive Lamborghini. And I said, hi, okay, what of Toyota? Prado, na we niki gonyegi. Esa na London Kanu na the motor except the me import. I said, okay. Na ke ka ye fe su e medicine. Na ibe Biafra ono na kwa akokwa no. Wa ono jiro no ya nwa yo kai we malo na aye mekwa election. Malo you go no. I told him, sir, I'm a full-born Biafran. When you hear about someone in Nigeria has dealt with me, and I'm trying to show them that Nigeria is taking out our leaders. So say, now I have to go to Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu were criminal. Nnamdi Kanu na cause the whole insecurity in Nigeria. And I told him from there, hold it. None cause insecurity in Nigeria. We release this year, stop all that insecurity. Many terms and conditions. One on the hour, also no government. No, no give away even what. I told him personally, Mr. Man, I am not here for that. And that is why Nnamdi Kanu will always tell you that a poor man can never fight for freedom. They sell out. A poor man. I will post the charts. Dear friends, things are happening. And after then, he didn't call me again. We didn't chat again because he saw my stand. And I will never give up on this whole thing. Yes, let me talk about my brother Ogo 247 for a minute. Please don't disrespect. I was so disappointed to hear that Ogo 247, because I have respect for people who, try to help me, I was so disappointed when I heard that Ogo 247 left the USB. I was so pained because I know that there was no reason for that. The only reason because of, they brought someone and placed him without, but we shouldn't have gotten to that anyways. That's why I keep saying everybody has reason why he does what he's doing. And the thing that pained me the most is you now left and started fighting Dr. Ngozi Arabeze. It wasn't nice. It wasn't nice. It was never nice. 247 was never nice. We have a lot of people who has left the USB, even under under Dr. Ngozi Arabeze, and they went inside. But if you had gone in and then start fighting for Biafra the way other people are doing, they will respect you the more. Why attacking that poor woman that declared my freedom, that declared our freedom? Why attacking her? And since then, I have not called him even up to today. Even up to today. Do I still respect him? Yes, I will continue to respect him because this YouTube thing that you people are seeing, honestly, Ogo 247 taught me. It taught me how to use, because I wasn't even interested, because I kind of was more of YouTube, Facebook and TikTok, and then try to sensitize our people to tell them what this government is doing, because Simon Ekpa is my direct boss. Yeah. And I've never seen any criminality in him. So I followed him. And most of you think I came yesterday. You don't know how long I've been with Simon Ekpa. None of you know. I don't come here to say it or shout it. But I was so disappointed when Ogo 247 left. But he left because of, I know why he left. But it wasn't supposed to be this serious. Honestly. My name I go no. Biafrans. Mana Yadeva. I respect and I'll continue to respect him. I would prefer if he stopped attacking the USB, but if he continues, that is his choice. But on this note, I want to tell Biafrans that look, we are on the right track. The only government you know, and I know, the genuine Biafrans should follow is USB. I can never disappoint you guys. And Dr. Abweza will never, that I know for sure. And I want to tell disappoint Biafrans. 40 states of United States of Biafra is under our watch, and she is taking care of that.
Guys, Cross Steven is very serious in his works. He's very serious in what he's saying concerning this case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Biafrans, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us. Magnetic Jigs TV will remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.